We're in Bancroft right now. We're headed out on a day trip to do Kawartha Lakes Loop. We've estimated it'll be about 6 hours ride time or 500 kilometers, give or take, of course. We just stopped to fuel up, have a snack and a quick stretch, and get back on the road. We just rode into Buckhorn and passed Lock 31 along the Trent Severn Waterway. We'll check out one of the other locks later on today. It's beautiful right now and this is a nice little town. Right now we're riding along Lakehurst Road, Highway 37, and we're looking for our first beach to go check out. Look at that water. Super clear. Our first destination of the day was the Sandy Lake Beach. Never been here before.
The water looks really nice. Has this weird turquoise color to it. Really clear. It's a gorgeous area. A little beach area down there. There's a few people, I think a family down there, and we are parked just top the little path here on the side, and our bikes are up there. Mine's parked in the shade and Summer's behind that tree there. Really nice day to ride. About 22 degrees I think is the maximum today. Felt warm on the hand.
Yeah. Fish.
There's a lot of fishes.
Oh yeah, it's a lot warmer on the bike.
I might not get my shorts wet.
Well, that was pretty cold this early in the day. We have several other beaches to discover, so we're going to wait until it gets a bit warmer to go for a full swim. In the meantime, though, we're going to find a couple bridges that we want to ride across. Oh yeah. We're here at the James A. Gifford Causeway that connects Innismore to Bridgenorth over Chemong Lake, and we're on the Innismore side right now. We're just entering the Selwyn Beach Conservation Area. First time to try out the bikes on gravel. You keeping your helmet? We're north of Peterborough right now at the Selwyn Public Beach. It's on the northeast shore of Chemong Lake. We still have a few places we want to explore today, so we're going to get back on the road. Yeah. Oh, come on, Stubby. So I did 152 kilometers, $10 fuel, and it was 5.1 liters. Exactly. Oh yeah. 1.2 for $21. We're in Lakefield right now, and we just stopped at this public beach to eat our lunch. It's a nice place. Big yachts across the water. Hopefully.
That's a decent sized tree.
Yeah. We left our towels out to dry up a bit on the bikes in the wind. It's a pretty nice day. Constant breeze, so it definitely keeps you cool. This is a historic site. We're at Lock 27 on the Trent Severn Waterway. Oh yeah. Well, that's nice. It's a nice bridge. Water's pretty clear. You can see the boat. Yeah. Waterway Beach. Oh wow, look at that. It's a really nice spot. It's quiet. There's nobody here. But there's a weird smell from a dead fish or something along the beach. Can't tell where it's coming from, but we're not gonna swim today. Here. Head on to the next one. The road is magnificent though. This is nicer than the 507. The pavement's better and there's a lot of twisties. Yeah, I like this one. Oh, this is a nice beach right off the highway. Oh, the water's clean. Are you coming in? No?
Just got here to this beach. It's called Chandos Beach. Pretty nice, remote, nice sandy beach. Looks like a pretty decent sized lake. Perfect day, 23 degrees right now. It's a bit hot, but it's pretty nice.
It's not hot if you go in the water. Well, that was refreshing. Now it's time to go back home. There's a nice rest area here too. The sun is starting to go down, so it's time to head back towards home now. Thanks for exploring with us, and we'll see you in the next one.